Summiting Kilimanjaro started as a bucket list of some doctor from down under, supported by his friends from India and the United Kingdom. This trip to Kili starts with packing of all the mountain gear and then moving towards Landorsi Gate. The first day consisted of 4-hour trek through dense rain forest.
Guys, keep pushing.
We must never stop the way.
This is elephant pack. So we go over this mountain where the base camp is situated.
The typical day began with prayers and then we cut across Elephant Back to reach Shira Camp 1 at the height of 3,600 meters. The journey consisted of moorlands through short shrubs.
For the second camp. Videos for this trek. Remember, no stills. And that's our troop leader, August. Thank you.
Your tummy still hangs up.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
We trekked merrily from Shira 1 to Shira 2 on a flat 10-kilometer trail, also reaching the bike trail, reaching Shira Camp 2 at the height of 3810 meters.
My name is Peter.
Yeah, hi Peter. Thank you so much. And this is that luxurious table that used to be laid for us. Lots of rich food. Station or camp after Shira 2. Took us 12 hours to reach. And behind is the peak of Kilimanjaro. What a scenic, magnificent outdoor beauty. It'll make us feel it's all worth it.
Day 4 consisted of the longest day, 7 hours to reach Lava Tower at an altitude of 4,600 meters.
Yes. Yeah, doing good.
This is on top of Moronco Wall. 4250 meters.
Further descent of 1.5 kilometer in darkness to reach Moronco Camp.
This is Karanga Camp after having walked up the Moronco Wall. Moronco means valley in Spanish. This is how Kilimanjaro looks during daytime, all wrapped in clouds. Brilliant. We just have 2 more days for summit.
Day 5 consisted of climbing of Moronco wall with lots of events and then descent down to Karanga camp.
6 वाजता बटर म्हणून प्रेमाने हाक मारून उठवतोस ते मला फार आवडतं. गुड आफ्टरनून डॉक्टर रेगे. I hope you slept well.
Both of them get up with a smile. That's all I
Zinedine Zidane, Zizou.
One dream.
All the way to the
Top.
yay!
We sincerely pray for good weather,
We sincerely pray for good weather,
good health and safety of all the participants.
good health and safety of all the participants.
Ganpati Bappa!
Moria! Har Har Mahadev!
And the priest keeps his job.
And the priest keeps his job.
Day 6 to reach Barafu camp at the height of 4673 meters. We reached at 2 pm, dinner at 5:30 pm, and then briefing about the summit was done by our trip guide. So this is probably the last of the recordings at the Barafu camp. We have reached here at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. If you see a sign there, it says Barafu camp with the elevation of 4673 meters. There's a ranger's hut where we have come and registered our names. We just go about 2 minutes downhill to reach our huts, where will be some warm meal. Looking forward to sharing all this with my loved ones, Zui, Joy and Bhagya. Bye for now. We started off at 7:30 pm with 6 layers on top and 3 below for the final push on the Saturday night to reach summit Sunday morning. That's summit.
Last breakfast of the tent. Hi Peter. And me.
Usinichanganyie machungwa, machenza na matawi.
Wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata.
Torianzare mosho.
Hakuna matata.
So you have better shoes.
Yeah, thank you.
And we are all very grateful for all this.
Thank you.
Your tummy still hangs up.
Day 8, we reached a lower altitude after a 14-kilometer trek with almost a kilometer of descent. We reached the Mokka gate at 2 pm and were greeted by an ambulance. Overall, this trek to Kilimanjaro was a memorable one, with close friends, lot of planning, and eventually a finish that we would remember forever.
This is for Sujoy, is it?